2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost. Ultra-luxury sedan in dazzling white color. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost has arrived, and it's the pure embodiment of modern luxury, elegance, and silent power. Dressed in a pearl white finish, this ultra-luxury sedan doesn't just turn heads, it owns the road. Sparkles exterior elegance. The Ghost's signature Pantheon grille glows with soft LED lighting, while its hand-polished white body reflects light like silk. Sleek lines, bold presence, and 21-inch chrome alloy wheels give it a commanding look from every angle. Couch and lamp interior perfection. Step inside to experience a world of silence and sophistication. Hand-stitched white leather seats, floating starlight headliner, polished wood inlays and crystal controls. Rolls-Royce's latest Spirit infotainment system with voice control and touch-screen gear. Performance meets serenity under the hood. A 6.75 LV12 twin-turbo engine, producing 563 horsepower 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds. Whisper quiet air suspension for a magic carpet ride. Movie camera, captured in HD. This white beauty was caught in stunning HD video, showing off every detail, from the gliding doors to the silent, graceful takeoff. The 2025 Ghost isn't just a car, it's a statement of wealth, power, and timeless taste.